Hello everyone, today we will introduce the Edit Line Style by Layer function of the LiDAR 360 MLS plugin in CAD. This function allows you to edit the line style, color, and line width by selecting a layer and filtering fields. Taking the lane line layer as an example, click the Edit Line Style by Layer button. In the dialog that appears, select the layer and the fields to filter. You can select up to 3 fields, either individually or in combination. For the corresponding field values, you can set the line style, color, and line width. Once the settings are complete, click OK to apply the changes. This concludes the introduction to the Edit Line Style by Layer function. Thank you for watching.